Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the differences between hiring a handyman for electrical work versus a professional electrician. You know, folks, electricity is nothing to mess around with. It can be dangerous, even deadly, if you don't know what you're doing. We've seen too many homeowners try to cut corners and end up with shoddy, unsafe work. We're talking about the safety of your home and family here. Let's get it done right. So, you're thinking about hiring a handyman to tackle some electrical work. Listen, a handyman might be great at fixing a leaky faucet or patching drywall, but electrical work, that's a whole other ball game. A licensed electrician goes through years of training, folks. They've seen it all, from simple repairs to complex wiring jobs. They understand the ins and outs of your electrical system, the codes and the permits. Don't trust your home's electrical system to just anyone. Now, a handyman might be okay for small jobs like swapping out a light fixture or replacing a switch. But when it comes to the big stuff, forget about it. We're talking rewiring your house, upgrading your electrical panel, installing a new circuit. That's professional electrician territory. These jobs require specialized knowledge and experience. You don't want to mess around with that yourself, and you definitely don't want a handyman who dabbles in electrics messing with it either. Is it really worth it? Sure, a handyman might seem cheaper up front. They might charge less per hour, but let me ask you this. Can you really put a price on safety? A licensed electrician might cost a bit more, but you're paying for peace of mind, you're paying for quality workmanship, for someone who knows what they're doing and will get the job done right the first time. Trust me, in the long run, it's worth every penny. Don't gamble with your home. Remember what I said at the beginning, electricity is dangerous. Improper electrical work can lead to fires, shocks, even explosions. This isn't a time to cut corners. A licensed electrician follows strict safety protocols. They use the right materials, the right tools, and they know how to work safely around electricity. You're not just protecting your home, you're protecting your family. Stories from the trenches. Look, we've been in this business for a long time, and we've seen the good, the bad, and the downright ugly. We've met homeowners who tried to save a few bucks and ended up with a bigger mess than they started with. We've seen DIY electrical projects go wrong, putting families at risk. And you know what? We've also met homeowners who made the smart choice, who hired a licensed electrician and got the job done right. They understood that when it comes to electricity, there's no room for shortcuts. So there you have it, folks. The choice is clear. When it comes to electrical work, don't take chances. Hire Positive Electricians. Remember, a few extra bucks today can save you a whole lot of heartache and money down the road. Thanks for watching. Visit our website, positiveelectricians.com, or call us at 844-411-0240. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and advice on home improvement and repairs. Stay safe out there.